I welcome you today to Smart Money AI. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mark the most accurate or the most important support and resistance levels that I expect everyone, right? That I expect to see on every chart whenever I see it. And trust me, this very support and resistance levels, you're gonna love it. And if you master what I'm about to teach you today, trust me, you should be making consistent profits from your trades. Trust me. So this is my chart on VIX 75, right? I actually want to delete everything here, so we'll start afresh, right? We'll start afresh and you'll get to know what really going on here, right? As you can see, VIX 75 on the daily time frame has actually come to my long awaited support, right? And reacted with this dodgy candle, and after that it's beginning to give me a bullish candle. So I'm very much optimistic about this guy, right? So I'm gonna ride this buy all the way here. I actually set my TP when I was in the smaller time frame, but looking at it in this picture, I think I'm gonna target the end here, but that's not why we are here. So without wasting any more time, let's dive in. How are we going, or how are you going to be able to these accurate support and resistance levels I'm talking about? In fact, if you want to draw these levels I'm talking about, you have to do it either on the daily time frame or on the 4-hour time frame. That's how I do mine, and it really works for me, right? You see, support and resistance in trading is a concept no one can do away with. I already have an introductory video on support and resistance, which I expect you, if you are a newbie, to go and watch before you even come to watch this video. And trust me, you're gonna love it, guys. It's so educative, right? So how do we mark the most accurate support and resistance? Trust me, we only have 4 of these lines, right, that I've back tested. And also this secret was revealed to me by my mentor. He's on YouTube. His channel is Traders Site, so you can check out on him. So this is what you want to do when you first open your chart, right? You have to zoom out the chart so you'll be able to see the most accurate point, right? You should be able to see okay, let me do it something like this, right? I think something like this is really cool, right? So where is price actually? Currently price is in this section, okay? Price is actually here, right? So we are going to consider that place. So first, right, looking at the top, we'll mark the most extensive swing high. I'm talking about the top, the resistance level, right? This is where price is, so I'm talking about the top here, right? We'll first mark the most extensive swing high, right? So let's mark that level, right? We'll mark that level with our horizontal line, right? All right, so I'll draw this horizontal line there, right? So this is the most swing high at the top. Now we also come to the down section and look at the other swing low, right? And we mark that one too. So I'll also draw another box here, right? I'll draw another box or rectangular something here to represent the most swing supports. So the supports, let me make it green, right? Okay, it's already green, but let me use this color for the support, and for the resistance let me use red. It's actually how I choose my colors. Everything relating to sell I use red, and anything relating to buy I use green. Now that we have marked these zones, we will now mark where price is currently returning from. So let's zoom in and see where price is currently returning from. So we can see that price is actually returning from this guy here, right? Because price is here, so it came down here and it's now moving up. So price is returning from this demand zone here. So I'll mark that one too. I'll mark this demand zone as well, right? This is actually where price is moving from, right? Oh my god, oh my god. Let me use sorry guys. Okay, so right, in fact this secret I'm showing you guys today if you are to stick to it to make a very good use. Okay, so this is the current support where price is returning from, right? So I'll extend that one to right to the opposite direction. You see how it's getting so many touches. Oh my god, we are doing the right thing, right? We are doing the right thing. So let me change the color to, yes, it should be looking. Now after marking this point, I told you we only need four support levels, right? We only need 4 support levels. Now right now that price is at this spot. Where do we think that at least price should get to before it starts coming down, right? If price will come down or anything, at least we expect it to reach this spot, right? Because it's the next immediate resistance, right? Okay, so I'll mark that spot as well. So these are the 4 main key levels I wanted to show you today. So always these are the key levels you should get on your charts, and trust me, you're gonna be making right. You've seen that. So we've now gotten the 4, right? The 4 main, you see that we've gotten the 4 main points. Now let me give you another bonus, right? It's good you've stayed with me till the end, though these sections are 4, but there's also an obvious level I want us to mark. Look at the current marked. If that resistance is broken, where will be our next target? Do we have another resistance level before the obvious swing high? Yes, we do have, and that level is here. So as a bonus, let's mark that point as well. You know, trading is as simple as ABCD if you understand. So let's extend this guy to this side and see. You see, it has also gotten another touch here. Oh my god. And this touch is even higher than what we have or what we were focusing on, right? So there's liquidity residing there. So let me do it like that, right? I want to cater for both the liquidity. You've seen that, so let me change this color so it will look JJ, right? Let me change it to this sexy color here. Right. So have you seen the point we are now having on our charts, right? You've seen that. So right, it's as simple as ABCD, marking these guys on your charts, right? This is the only, you don't have to be marking everything you see. There are the key levels, and these are the key levels I've given to you, and we already know what what we are supposed to be expecting when price should get to any of these levels. Either, let's say price gets to this guy here, right? We are expecting price to get to this guy here either today or the day after today. If price should literally get here, what we expect is either a reversal back to this guy here or a break of this level and then move to the upside here. So trading can be as simple as ABCD. So all you got to do, if you these levels that you've drew present you with an opportunity, now you take the opportunity, you wait till it reaches, but remember, taking profit should always be in your own interest. But this is how I do mine. This trade that I've picked, you see where I set my stop loss, sorry, my take profit. I'm actually going to edit it, and I'm going to take my profit, or I'm only going to opt out when price gets to this guy here. You see, that's how we actually do it, right? And I'm also seeing this trend line here. Let me connect it. We'll actually come to trend lines and you'll know what I mean. So I've seen this nice something here, and this actually on the daily time frame. So let me connect this guy. You see, trading I remember my boss, is it Anthony, Mr. Anthony? He said trading is the easiest job, but the most high paying job everyone should look out for or be willing to join. Because you know what we do in trading, you don't work, you don't do anything, right? All you do is you draw some lines, and then you wait for price to come into those lines, and then you start making money. As simple as ABC. Because this trade that I've taken, I've already drew this support like a week before, waited for price to come into it, and when it gave a reversal something, I entered. You see that? So trading is as simple as ABCD, and it's really high paying, trust me. Wow. So I'll be waiting for this guy. So it's either price reaches this guy, right, this trend line, I'll be willing to take profit or wait to see how price will react, or this resistance level, right? So right after this video, we are actually going to discuss a simple support and resistance technique, right? So in this video, I only showed you the most accurate spots you need to get on your chart, right? So thank you very much for watching. I want to see these levels on your chart. Each and every one of you who watch this video, draw them, put it in my WhatsApp group, my billionaires club, and then I'll draw your attention to some of the mistakes you may encounter when drawing them. See you another time in another incredible video. Bye bye.